Hey, how you doing? It's me, Kevin Clark. It's a privilege and an honour to be serving you at such a time as this. And before we go in, I just want to say subscribe to this channel. Very important. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell for alerts so that you get hot tips as they come. Be the first to know. Be in the know. Get there before everybody else. Okay, it's important that you subscribe. So that's the first thing out of the way. Secondly, if you've got any distractions going on, like your phone switched on, certain alerts, anything that's going to distract you from this information that you're going to receive right now, my strong advice is for you to just turn it on silent or switch off the device, whatever it is, because I need your full attention. Now, if you don't know about me, my beginnings were very, very humble. I was in a situation where I was okay, but I wasn't fully happy with the results that I was getting in my life. And I worked certain jobs and 9 to 5, typical 9 to 5 kind of lifestyle, hopping from one job to another, and I was made redundant twice, okay, on 2 occasions. And the last time I was made redundant, I said, that is it. I do not want to live like this anymore. Now, for things to change, I had to change. So I decided to learn different things. Okay, and there's nothing like being told how much you can earn, when you can take a break, when you can have holidays. I don't like that. I didn't like that. But I knew I had to do something about that. So I decided to hang around with people that were getting the results that I wanted to get, read certain books, get certain information, and completely shift my mindset, okay, my belief system. So in this product, which I'm going to show you, it's about Clickbank. Now, if you don't know about my testimonial, I'll share it really quickly. I went to an internet marketing seminar over 10 years ago, and there's a gentleman by the name of Mark Anastasi who is a multi-millionaire, and he was destitute and also broke, and then he discovered the internet through a faithful friend who shared some tips with him, and Mark Anastasi became successful and decided to travel the world and help other people succeed online. And thankfully I was introduced to Mark Anastasi at an internet seminar by my ex-girlfriend, and attending that seminar changed my whole life, because I was exposed to Clickbank, I was exposed to Google ads at the time. Okay, so I started to use Clickbank and Google, and as a result I started to make sales through Clickbank and Google AdSense and YouTube. Unfortunately, I had an account shut down and lost thousands of dollars on YouTube. However, that was a massive learning curve, and I bounced straight back and continued to put that information into practice and get results. So Clickbank is what I'm recognized in succeeding in, and also social media marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. But the request that I get a lot of is Clickbank. Kevin, please show me how to use Clickbank and make money. So what I've decided to do is concentrate and focus on Clickbank and give people what they want. So I've put together this product here, which will help you succeed online, whether you are a newbie or seasoned marketer. No matter where you are, this will add tremendous value to you and anybody else in your close circles. So Clickbank Cash Success Secrets. Okay, in this course you will basically get what you need to get in order for you to succeed: how to do your keyword research, gauging the competition, advertising demand, keyword tracking, using special keyword tools, finding the best tips and techniques, choosing the best products, and much more. And there is much more in there. So my advice to you is to take massive action and get in this while you can. Get the product, use the information, because a lot of people buy products, leave it on the shelf, don't put the information to practice and move on to the next product. What's the point? Okay, what I want you to do is invest in your knowledge, invest in yourself. But what's important is for you to take massive action. Take action. Don't just purchase, but purchase and take immediate action. Try not to procrastinate. Okay, just take immediate action. Okay? Action is really important. I cannot stress that any more clearer. But take action. Don't think about how things are gonna go. Just follow the systems and you will get the results. Just take immediate action. Okay, don't procrastinate. So that's it for now. Okay, I really want you to succeed. You were created for success. You are the head, not the tail, above only and not beneath. You are destined for greatness. You are a winner, and continue to do what winners do. Do the do's so you don't have to do the don'ts. Hang around with people that have your solutions. Stay away from people that have your problems, unless you are helping them to the top, and there's plenty of room at the top. Okay, so that's it from me, Kevin Clark, believing in you. Take massive action. I see you on the inside.